Hey everybody, it's Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guy, and I wanted to present to you another kind of little surprise. Uh, I'm starting to try to up the game here with my forecasting and also other interests. And in this case, I'm going to be holding um, monthly big events in astronomy. Look at the star nights with me, and I'm going to call it Astronomy for Amateurs with WDG. So get out your telescopes, get out your star maps, and I will be doing a sort of monthly, uh, or maybe one one night a week. I'll be holding one of those chats and live sessions, and we'll be able to look at from I won't be able to show you the constellation for where I am, but I'll be able to kind of let you know what big events are happening and what I see, and then maybe what you can see. And so we'll kind of have an astronomy night together where we can talk about the stars. But of course, the weather has to be good, and the weather comes into play. So all these dates are tentative based upon, what is going on weather-wise. So if you go to this website, it's called seasky.org. And I'll just sort of scan up. Okay. Sea Sky and presents the sky. So it has the astronomy calendar for celestial events for 2022 and previous years. Gosh, all the way through 2030. Oh, gosh. What will you be doing in the next 8 years? Let's look at the 2030 events. Oh, my gosh. It has all kinds of other interesting and fun links. So if you go there, go there. All right. So these are the big highlight events that are occurring in the next few months in the summer. Since I will be freely available to spend these evenings and not worry about getting up real early and going to school and all those things. So in June, let's go to we're still in May, so really that's May 30th is tomorrow. There will be a new moon, but it won't be visible. But it will be a good time to view um, celestial bodies and faint objects in the sky. I'm out here right now. It's nice and dark, but it's, you know, it's really usually the later the better. So 10, 11 o'clock, even into the morning hours, if you can kind of keep up with that. Um, or you get up at 4:30, 5 o'clock in the morning, you can still see a good amount. But to see faint objects, clusters, and such, usually staying up till about 11 or 12 is good because you can see those things. So that's tomorrow, May 30th, but I won't be hosting anything, live. And June 14th, there's a super moon. Some call it the strawberry moon. Okay. This is also the first of three supermoons for 2022, and the moon will be near its closest approach to the Earth. It may look slightly larger and brighter than usual. Then we have June 16th with seeing Mercury. This will be the good time to see Mercury. The June solstice occurs at 9:05 UTC, so that's about 6 o'clock here. 87665. Well, anything from 5 o'clock on, the North Pole, the Earth will be tilted towards the sun. This is the first day of summer in the Northern Hemisphere and the first day of winter in the southern hemisphere. And usually it stays light till about almost 10 o'clock. So it's really, it's not a great night to see the stars, but it's you're everybody is up and feeling more awake because it hasn't got dark yet and it's really late. So, okay. June 29th, another new moon. And then July 13th, we have a supermoon, another new moon. And then towards the end of July, we have Delta Aquariids meteor shower. And it's the average shower that can produce up to 20 meters an hour. It is produced by debris left behind by comets. The shower runs annually from July 12th to August 23rd. It peaks this year on July 28th and the morning of July 29th. It's a great year for this shower because the new moon means dark skies for what should be an excellent. Best viewing will be from a dark location after midnight. Meteors will radiate from the constellation Aquarius, but can appear anywhere in the sky. Now, I tried this last year. I don't recall seeing anything. I mean, I might have saw like you have to really get focused, get comfortable, and it has to be dark. August 12th, another supermoon, and then August 12th, 13th. This is the common meteor shower every year. Perseids meteor shower, producing a large number of bright meteors. The shower runs annually from July 27th to August 24th. Peaks this year on the night of August 12th, in the morning of August 13th. Unfortunately, the early new moon this year will be back, but the brightest showers. But the full moon this year will block it all out, but the brightest meteors. But the Perseids are so bright and numerous that it could still be a decent show. Best view will be from a dark location after midnight. Meteors will radiate the constellation Perseus, but can appear anywhere in the sky. I'm thinking that the point of meteor showers is you can probably see them from any sky location, but sometimes they're in a specific constellation. Okay, so then we have some other ones in August 14th to 27th to 27th. And that does it for the summer. So most of the events are related to the moon, I mean full moons, but there are a couple of highlighted events. So I will try to hold these on these special nights. Now, I won't know whether I'll be hosting it until a couple days before. So you got to be wary of when I might be posting that. Probably 2 days before on my website, Delaware, on Facebook, Delaware Weather Guy. All right, that's it with me. Have a great week. Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guy, saying adios.